Hey y'all, it's Appalachian Gunman here. I'm gonna do y'all a video today here. I'm gonna show y'all how to do a little bit of maintenance on your Surefire flashlights, and this particular one's the E1B Backup. It's a great little EDC light. I'm just gonna show y'all a little maintenance on it here. If you can see, here this clip's bent out. It's a handy clip because it's a two-way Z-shaped clip, but it's kind of been bent out. It is a little on the flimsy side compared to some others like that I've had, like the Tactician. I don't like the Tactician, the fact that it's bezel up only, but it's a really, I'll set this battery to the side. We're going to be using a blowtorch here, and take the bezel off, and we take the tail cap off. And what we're going to do here, I got a can of silicone spray. Silicone's good for about anything, whether it's wood, plastic, it don't really matter. I got something here so you can get that O-ring out of there. I don't know if this will work. It's a little piece of yeah, it's just a little splinter from a piece of OSB board, toothpick, or anything that you got laying around to work. But I don't want to push this clip out with that O-ring in there because it might damage the O-ring. But you just push the clip from down here like this, and it just slides out like that. And what we're going to do with this clip, here we've got our blowtorch. This is the just going to open it up. You can't see it flame real good, but it's burning. And we got a little tank of oil in here. Take you back any kind of pliers you want, and just squeeze it good down here where it comes touches together. And then we're just gonna hold that flame, that blue flame on the part where it bends there. And even though you're not heating the part down there, you're holding it with the pliers, and the whole clip's gonna get hot. So you're gonna want something good to hold it with. Just kind of move it around a little bit. And you see it, the steel is starting to get red. You can see it get red now. Don't hold it on there too long, you'll melt it. Yeah, we're gonna push it over. You see it smoking there. So we'll turn the torch off now. Unfortunately, I didn't bring anything over here to wipe the clip off with, get the oil off of it. But you see now, I take the pliers off of it, it's staying together. And dipping it in the oil kind of gets it tempered back. So now what we're going to do is going to take a little of this silicone spray here, and we're just going to get that O-ring with it. That'll help protect that O-ring. And get it on this thread here. And get it on these threads and this O-ring here. And then we'll slide the clip back on. Just the opposite of the way it came out. I'm gonna push it that way back in. And then we'll just slide the O-ring over. If you don't, you'll compromise the waterproofness of it. And then now what you're going to do next is you drop your battery in here, and then you screw your tail cap on, and then you screw the bezel back on. And then Get you high and low. And it's still working good. And actually, probably would actually be good for that tail switch there to have a little bit of silicone on it too. So that's how to take care of your Surefire flashlight. You're just gonna want to wipe it off. Well, like I said, I don't have anything to wipe it off with right now, so I'll do that after the video. Thank y'all for watching.